Hello, all respected judges. I am ABHINAV JHA and today I am presenting my idea RUDRA. In villages, the connectivity every day is very dangerous and unreliable. Children across uh, river, canal, and broken path just to reach school. Farmer carry heavy loads across rough terrain, risking injury. Essential medicine often fails to reach remote hamlets on time. Many villages do not have bridges or proper road, and existing solutions like drone delivery are too expensive, while ropeway require large infrastructure. To solve this, we have idea Rudra. It is a low-cost hybrid system that combines a ropeway and a mini drone motor to safely transport small loads across river, field, and difficult terrain in rural India. It uses two poles, a strong nylon steel cable, a pulley-based basket, and a solar-powered brushless motor to pull the basket automatically from one side to another. It is safe, affordable, and easy way to move school bag, farm produces, groceries, and more. Rudra works on a solar-powered ropeway, strong cable, basket with pulley slides, and motor runs on battery charged by solar panel. Here is my diagram, a detailed diagram. Solar panel generates power. It transfers to battery, and then battery power transfers to ESC. Then ESC regulated and send power to brushless motor, and rope begins to move using brushless roll motor, which drives the drive pulley, and basket start going from here to there. My future plan is to build a small working prototype, field testing in villages, taking feedback from user, and upgrade to a full stack, strong rope material, safe basket design, and waterproof electronics Rudra unit. Thank you. That's all my idea is.